What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what it do? Welcome back to the Fifth Quarter Panel. And if it's your first time, welcome to the Fifth Quarter Panel, where it's all black, all bands, all the damn time. And I'm your host, Fred Dressel. It is me, Fred Dressel, and today we're finna get into the Fifth Quarter Panel quick takes. And y'all know I love it when I get to talk about these motherfuckers. My bad. These motherfuckers. The Jackson State University Sonic Boom of the South. Today we're doing a day with Jackson State Sonic Boom of the South in New Orleans 2026. I heard the human jukebox was supposed to be there, but they came late. I'm just saying, that's what I heard. So if you come late, you don't have the opportunity to get fucked over. You know what I'm talking about? I'm just saying, you ain't got the opportunity to get fucked over. But either or, we're finna get into this video. Jackson State University, the Sonic Boom of the South. So without any further ado, let's see what it do. Let's see what we got here. I know the first part of it. I do. But let's see what we got. Let's see if they're still cranking. Tuba together like a motherfucker. I'm sorry. I want to see Texas Southern and Jackson State go at it. Texas Southern right now, before this season start, I want to see Texas Southern and Jackson State go at it, because Texas Southern got something to prove, and I want to see if they can battle Jackson State. It's gonna be tough, but I want to see that. But let me get back to it. My bad, y'all. Who can beat the J6, man? Thrill of a billion eyes. Put it in the comments. Who you think can take them? Golden Girls is the closest to me, but they ain't got them. But I like the Golden Girls. They do a good damn job. What we got here? Man. Nah, ain't nobody fucking with the boom. Love the boom. Ain't nobody fucking with the boom. Thought I had some more drink out here. He walking by jamming. When the director ain't gotta do no work, that says enough right there. When he get to sit back and chill and let him take over. Oh, Tillis came in plucking. You see Dub T back there? Man, whoever think I want to see that Texas Southern battle. I want to see that. Excuse me. I want to see that battle. What we got here? Another banger. Another goddamn me banger. And that's a traveling band. That ain't even the full boom. Shout out to the J6, man. And Tuba's going stupid. And they're together, clean, solid. Oh, they took it down an octave. Still cranking. Chill bumps, man. Where the chili sauce at? Man, what the fuck are we doing out here? He threw it from the cup. This is what y'all been waiting for. The Jackson State Sounding Boom Other Side, what y'all been waiting for. Bruh. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I take back what I said. I don't want to see Texas Southern get Jackson State. I want to see any goddamn school y'all think that can take Jackson State right now. Put it in the comments. Any school you think can take Jackson State, let me know. This ain't even no bias shit. This ain't even no damn it, I love Jackson State shit. Fuck it. Y'all ain't paying attention to me. Y'all just want to dance. Y'all just want to dance. Student arranger. Student. We ain't got books. We got libraries. Dewey Decimal Systems. I've been drinking. Fuck with me. What we got? Chili sauce again. Y'all know I love them woodwinds when they get to shine. God damn, chili sauce again. Chill bumps around this bitch. This is a student arranger. Man, come on now. Gather y'all top 2 schools. Y'all top 2 collegiate schools. HBCUs. Put them against Jackson State. Your top 2. Your top 2. Man, get the fuck out of here. We ain't doing this shit. I'm mad now. Ain't nobody fucking with us. And Tuba's got that going. That might be my section the other day. God damn, they're taking feathers off birds. Them tenors plucking out there. It don't make no damn sense. Shit, man, they not giving no fucks, man. Oh, I'm lighting a cigarette. Student arranger. Student. I got a song I want them to play. I put together, but I'm gonna have to get it to somebody else because I ain't even trying to get them to get shut down by them niggas. Oh, they come man cranking. He got some early crank. All right, this is a better song. This is a better song. Man, tuba's superb. Tuba's superb. Ah, oh, cool. What they got now was Michael. I like Michael arrangement better. This is a good crank song though. Drop that octave low, the tuba still blowing. Goddamn tenors coming through, man. Oh no, he got his props. He got his props. Oh yeah, he did his thing. He did his thing. Student arrangers, man. Come on. I know that Edna Karr, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong. Let me know. I'm not sure. But I think they Edna Karr, but like they all combined. Cause I see some white shirts with the J sets. So that means some more band members out there with the boom. We didn't get to do this shit when I was in high school. And we was in Jackson. That's a great goddamn feeling, I'm sure. Ready and play. I'm familiar with this one. Man, the kids playing with the boom sound good right now. I don't know which way to go. Chili sauce, man. Chili sauce. I wish we had that opportunity. But my section leader from Jackson, they cut my hair when I was in high school, so I was around this shit. Should I snap? Man, come on. I done turned back to a fan right now. I'm a fan. All right, that's the end. Hold on, make me big, make me big. Give my goddamn theme music. There we go. Deuce one like Dion. I said Deuce one like Dion. Still rocking Falcons. Still rocking Falcons. Hate Atlanta traffic. Hate that shit. Man. I keep on looking up there. I gotta get to the habit of looking at the camera. I'm looking at the TV. Jackson State is on the whole nother fucking level. Skip all this shit. They say I say fuck face, it's funk face. Them curves, that's a funk face. 0 to 5, they get a 5. Fuck it, they get a 5. Times 2, they get a 10. I'm throwing 10 of these motherfuckers up here. My face, 5. Throwing 10 of these hoes up here. Man, who fucking with Jackson State? Real talk. I don't give a fuck what school you went to. You gotta be honest. Who fucking with Jackson State? I ain't like Alcorn. Last year, Alcorn did a good goddamn job, and I gave Alcorn the praise. If you can't say the Jackson State Sun and Moon of the South is them motherfuckers, you lying to yourself. But if you think your school can fuck with them, let me know in the comments. If you think you gotta gather 2 schools to fuck with them, let me know in the comments. But they showed out, and they do what Jackson State do. Jackson State is who Jackson State say they is. They student arrangers go harder than some of y'all actual arrangers. Avengers assemble around this bitch. I don't watch that shit. I don't know about the Avengers, you know what I'm saying? Incredible Hulk and goddamn Mr. T. He ain't the Avenger. I'm 46. It's all good. But fuck it. Anyway, goddamn me. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, share. Holla at your boy, Fred Dressel. 5th quarter pounder. Wrong hand. 5th quarter pounder. Hit that like, subscribe, follow, all that good shit. Hype me up again. There we go. But Sonic Boom of the South. Y'all see it. Jack State. Ain't nobody fucking with them. If y'all think I'm wrong, let me know. I'm open to being wrong, but y'all know I'm not wrong this time. Holla at me. Fred Dressel, 5th quarter pounder. We up out this bitch.